Hey Scrappers, Moose here. So it's been a little while since I've put together a video. I'm still struggling with the back issues. Waiting right now for a date for surgery. See how that goes. I've already done 2 cortisone shots, and the first one worked great for like a week, but then all the effects went away, and the second one made the pain worse. So it's going to be a fairly short video because I can't really sit down for more than a few minutes without getting uncomfortable. So what I wanted to do today was my first ever unboxing video. I got a couple of things here, and I've also got a new address for all you folks. I know there's been a lot of people who've been asking, like, over the years, where to send stuff, and I've been hesitant to give out my personal address, especially given what happened to my friend Bob Gill a few months ago with that whole all the police showing up for no reason. So a new address. P.O. Box 1140, Westbrook, Maine 04098. And I'll put that in the description down there. It's exciting. It marks the. It's also the address for my new official business, eCycle Maine. I've made it official now. I got my own federal tax ID and all that stuff. So hopefully this year, once the back thing is finally freaking settled, we can start making more videos more regularly and start making lots of money and showing you guys how to do it. Alright, so why don't we get first to right up to the first thing, the unboxing. So this box came in from Keith Rowe in Texas. His YouTube channel, you should check it out. It's Rowe, R-O-E, Mantic, M-A-N-T-I-C. He does a lot of great videos on scrapping, reselling computers and stuff like that. So it's basically how to make more money than just scrap value. So definitely check it out. So he sent this package in. I got it in a couple weeks ago. I've been hesitant to open it, so I don't really know. I wanted to actually do the video, so let's take a look down here. Alright, so got some paper. What's this? Looks like camera gear. Oh, this is like GoPro gear. So spoiler alert, I knew what he was going to send. He told me what he was sending before he sent it, so. Well, I am surprised that all this stuff is in here. I kind of knew what he was sending. So, GoPro Be a Hero. Oh wow, that's a huge stick. And a mount, float. So now I mentioned in one of my last videos that one of the things that I want to do this year was look into getting a GoPro. Especially working with the boards and stuff. I want to get like more angles and better quality video. And holy crap. And there it is, the Hero 4. Wow, that looks in really good shape. He said it was a little rough, but that doesn't look rough at all. Cool. I got a GoPro Hero 4. That'll be fun to play with. Oh, it's even got the headband. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Of course, I have a rather large melon. So that'll work. I just have to figure out all the angles and stuff. Do a lot of experimentation to see what's actually in my range of view, if I'm looking at it correctly, if it's within the lens or whatever. Sweet. And there's more. Easy access GoPro case. Oh wow, what the heck is Cool. It's like a paperweight. It's a Cyrix M2 CPU. It's like totally immersed in resin. Alright, we got the camera case. It has all the little odds and ends. Oh, it's got his little homemade camera mount that has the neodymium magnets from hard drives. That works. Spare battery, little memory card, another spare battery. Sweet, everything I freaking need. What's this? Alright, hey buddy, you might love to clean this stuff up a little bit, but it's tested and well used. I made my last video with it. I used the GoPro app with it. The charge cord is not the original, so don't know if it works on PC. Have fun with it. Happy holidays. Romantic. P.S. Buff the keychain with fine grit. So this must be a keychain. That is kind of cool. I like that. Alright. Well, geez. I'm all set up with a GoPro. Thanks to Romantic, Heathrow down in Texas. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. This is going to get well used. Oh, that's for nothing much. I'll have to figure out how all this stuff works out anyway. Groovy, groovy, groovy. Alright, so I'll put this aside. So the next up, this is something that I actually requested from E-Waste Ben out in Australia. And man, he mentions in his videos how expensive shipping is. He's not kidding. I mean, a little package like this weighs less than 4 pounds. Right? Thin package. Cost was $56.40 Australian. That's crazy. Alright, so I don't know if you guys, I hope you guys watch all of his videos. He puts out a lot of great material. He had a video back not that long ago, maybe the last like 2 or 3 months, where he got these boards that were, good sized boards that were pretty much all gold plated on one side. And I sent him a message saying, if you're just gonna sell them off as like low grade boards, because pretty much that's really what he was gonna do with them. If you wouldn't mind sending them to me, I'd pay him for it. Because I thought it'd be interesting to do a video to see, just how much gold is on these things. So this is what he sent. So he sent these boards, which are like this, but the back side completely gold plated. Right, and these boards they're pretty big, and they're 14 inches by 10 inches. Right, so 240 square inches of gold plating, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically there is about 1,000 square inches, almost, so 960 square inches of gold plating. Probably closer to 2,000 if we include all this stuff on the front side. So just out of curiosity, I wanted to see exactly how much gold would be on these things. So he agreed to send them. So yeah, that's that. Of course, I'm going to have to depopulate them. He left a lot of stuff on them. Nothing of major value or anything, but certainly stuff that I don't really see much here in the States, which is kind of interesting. So, yep. Alright, so yeah, so that's 4 of those. So again, thank you folks for watching. Thanks for being patient with my lack of videos and entertainment for the last few months. It's been, I'd say a pain in the butt, but it's been a pain in the back. Well, actually, a pain in the leg as well because of the sciatic. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm hoping to get the whole surgery thing taken care of, fairly soon. They say 4 to 6 weeks recovery from that, but I should be able to, if I'm going to be home for 4 to 6 weeks, not being able to work, hopefully I'll be able to put out more videos, because I've got a lot of stuff that's just waiting to be edited. But just sitting down here in the chair for an hour at a time to edit the videos is just not in the cards right now. It hurts too much. So yeah, so thank you all again for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you check out Romantic's YouTube page. Subscribe. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. If you guys are into scrapping and making money, any little different bit of information you get from someone I find is helpful. So from him, you're going to find some helpful information as well. Especially as far as like some of the videos that I've watched, he like wipes the hard drives and puts on Windows again, so you can basically sell the machine as like fully functional. Whereas with me, anytime I sell a computer, the hard drive is out. I just don't take the time. I don't really have like the skill set to really replace all the Windows operating systems on every hard drive. So anywho, with that, I'm going to say thank you again. Make sure that you subscribe. I'm still doing the 100,000 subscriber giveaway contest at the end of this year, right? By December 31st midnight this year, 2020. If I reach 100,000 subscribers, which I'm hoping that once I start posting more of these forge videos, melting all these copper ingots and aluminum and stuff like that, that maybe I'll get a few more subscribers. That'd be cool. But again, if I reach 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away tons of stuff. Alright, so just subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. If you don't like the title of a video that I put out, you don't have to watch it. Just saying. But subscribing still helps. Make sure you let your friends know. Anyone who you know is interested in scrapping, have them subscribe. And so, I am starting something. Now that I have my official address that people can send stuff to if you want. You don't have to. I am looking for keys, brass keys. I've got a few projects that I want to do that specifically involve the use of keys. Right. So if you have a few keys hanging around and you have one of those single postage stamps laying around, if you want to drop it in the mail to me, you can address it to either Don Berube, B-E-R-U-B-E, or Moose Scrapper. Either way, it doesn't matter. To the address of 1140, P.O. Box 1140, Westbrook, Maine, 04098. I think I got that right. Again, I'm not mailed myself anything yet, so 1140-04098. Yep. Alright, so, and again, I'm going to make sure that address is in the description of the video, and back here on the credit side of the video. So if you have extra keys, send them on over. I've got a few projects that I want to tackle, but I need keys for, and I don't really come across them very often, which is kind of weird. But thanks again. So again, thanks for watching. See you later.